Hi, my name is Joanna Modeste, and I am one of the Family and Community Health County Extension Agents for Texas A&M AgriLife Extension, Hidalgo County. Walk Across Texas is an 8-week program that helps Texans establish the habit of a regular physical activity. Today I'm going to teach you how to dance the watermelon crawl. The line dance is modified to prevent any dizziness. I hope this modification will make the line dance more accessible and enjoyable for everyone.
Hi, let's get started. We're going to start off with our right foot. We're going to go toe, heel, stomp, 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 toe, heel, stomp, stomp, stomp. All right, let's do it together. Toe, heel, stomp, 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 toe, heel, stomp, stomp, stomp. Perfect. Now what we're going to do is we're going to step forward and kick out. So it's going to go step with your right, step, kick, step, kick. Let's do it again. Step, kick, step, kick. All right, so let's do it all together. So it's toe, heel, stomp, 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 toe, heel, stomp, 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 kick, back, kick, back. Perfect. Okay, the next move is the grapevine. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Do it with me. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, let's do all that together. Here we go. So it's toe, heel, stomp, stomp, stomp. Toe, heel, stomp, stomp, stomp to the front. Again. Grapevine. And last move is you're going to slide, hold it there, and slide back. There you go. Now let's do it all together. Here we go. Toe, heel, stomp, stomp, stomp. Toe, heel, stomp, stomp, stomp. Front and back again. Grapevine. Other side. And slide. And slide. There you go. You got it.